I'm Darlene and welcome to Super at 60. Welcome to my home and welcome to my grocery haul today. And if I can, I'm gonna stick in a little bit of our summer house. We finally got it cleaned up over the past weekend. I'm telling you, a back porch, that's what our summer house is, makes a big mess over the winter months. I don't know, I don't get it, but I guess it's just normal dirtiness, you know, wind and snow and all that kind of stuff. It never really comes into the porch, but somehow it ends up a dusty, dirty mess. So we've cleaned it up and it's a process every year that we go through, trust me. But anyway, I'll try and show you that at the end of this video. But I have a little bit of a grocery haul, just a wee one, and it's all Aldi. The whole haul is an Aldi haul. A little bit of stuff I got to kind of put aside, you know, just for kind of a just in case. I always call it a just in case shop. And then some of it is just, you know, stuff we use on an everyday basis, you know, and it's a lot of the stuff that you have in your own house, in your own refrigerators. Now, I asked you over on the community tab not too long ago, what is in your refrigerator? What 3 things, like, you know, that are always in your refrigerator? I think that was the question, something like that, other than milk and eggs and something like that. I can't remember exactly what it was, but oh my goodness, overwhelmingly was butter. Oh my goodness, butter was number 1. And then I think the one that came in next was coffee creamer. Yeah, coffee creamer. And sure enough, those things are in my refrigerator right now. I did not buy any butter today. I thought the butter was kind of high, but you know, who knows if it will ever come back down. I do have a sufficient amount of butter in my freezer downstairs, so I'm not too worried about that at the moment. And coffee creamer, coffee? Oh, wait till I show you coffee. Oh my goodness, ka-ching, ka-ching, you can just hear it as you're walking through the grocery store. But we have it, and we need to be grateful that we have it and that we can buy it. And you know, it may hurt, it may pinch a little bit, and I know that it does because it does here. But we have it, and we praise God for that, and I mean that wholeheartedly. So let's get on with the haul, and I'll show you just a wee little few things that I bought today. All right, back in the back here, just some snacky stuff, some crackers and some animal cookies there. Little Everett is coming, I think, coming for the weekend. I don't have 100% on that yet, but I think he's coming. So I always like to have something here for him. And of course, we always like to do something in the kitchen together as well. Let's see. So those were normal price. There were plenty of them. And yeah, happy to have them. And then I have those little sandwich skinnies. I love those things. I love making egg salad or tuna salad or some chicken salad and just stuff those right in the middle. They're really very good. And they were not bad. The price was not bad. I was happy, happy, happy. All right, got some Italian dressing. I like to do things with this, not just necessarily make Italian dressings, but as a marinade, it's very nice. Same with the ranch. Just throw it over some chicken in a crock pot with a little bit of butter and some cream of, I don't know, cream of chicken soup or something, and that makes a really, really good meal, actually. And let's see, right next door, I have some strawberry preserves. I also bought an extra jar for our downstairs storage. Let's see, got some baby carrots. And then back over here, I got some raisins. I always like to have raisins in the house. I don't know why, but you know, if I'm making muffins or something, it's such a really nice thing to just kind of squeeze in there a couple of raisins. And then a few things back here I did get for some extra storage. You know, just to have extras, the just in cases. A few of the little pouches of potatoes, and those will go downstairs. Some brown sugar, some powdered sugar. I have some desserts coming up that I want to show you guys, and I'm going to need a little bit of that. Let's see, but I think I already have some. These will be for extras, just in case. And I got a big bag of white rice there. And then over here, they have these wonderful, you know, the organic ground pork. These were on sale for $2.19. Now, I will tell you, sadly, when I checked my receipt just a few minutes ago, they did not come up at $2.19. So I'm gonna have to go back to the store, I guess, and find out what that was all about. But I bought 3 of them, so, you know, instead of 12 something, it should have been a whole lot less. So I was angry at that, but I'll take care of it. So, all right, these Simply Potatoes, those were also on sale. I've never had these before, but I think this should be pretty good. And a bunch of canned goods. I'll show you those in just a second. I did get some green peppers. These were $1 something a bag for 3. I thought that was a very good deal. And I think what I'm gonna do is take some chopped green pepper, some eggs that I also got, some of the Simply Potatoes and some of the pork, and make some kind of a yummy casserole, breakfast casserole, or even dinner. You know, I love to do dinner like that, I do. I got a little bit of lunch meat here, just a little bit. And the price, again, this was like $2.99, not too terribly horrible. Same with the provolone, it was okay. Just, you know, it's okay. Back there, I got an extra ketchup, and there's that extra strawberry jam, because I like to have that. Just like to have it around. And dried cranberries. I love dried cranberries. I just love them, so I got a bunch of them. And then I also bought some graham cracker crusts, because I have other things coming up that I want to show you that use those graham cracker crusts. I like store-bought graham cracker crusts versus the homemade crust. I think the store-bought graham cracker crust here, I think it just holds to better, nicer. It just holds better. And if you're smart, look underneath. When you buy a graham cracker crust, look underneath, and there'll be a recipe waiting there for you. You know me, I love the back of the box recipes. And here's some sour cream. That is a staple in our house, always is. And sure enough, here's my coffee creamer right there. Yeah, Italian sweet cream. I use a little bit of half and half and a little bit of the Italian sweet cream just to kind of cut down on the sugar a little bit. And then over here, I have some heavy whipping cream. That is also, that's for a number of things, actually. I'll be doing a number of things with that. And half, my husband likes half and half in his coffee. And he also likes these chips back here, so I got him those. And for snackies, I got a little bit of that white cheddar popcorn. That's actually pretty good, I have to tell you, pretty good. Very sticky on the fingers, but it's pretty good. And here I got a little bit of some minced onions and some garlic, just because it's just like one of those things you just have to have. I got 2 dozen eggs. Oh, I am so out of breath. I just ran all these groceries in. I feel like I've run a marathon. Ridiculous. And then Brownie got out and I had to go scouting her down. Good grief. So, aren't they pretty? I just thought the bag was so pretty, but these were $1, what? Oh, $1.99 a bag, I think. And that's very good. They're usually 3 something. And I love to slice these up and just put them in, I don't know, a drink of some kind. Even a diet soda, I like to put it in. But I love it in just some nice cold ice water and a little juice maybe or something. It makes a really refreshing drink. I like it a lot, a lot. And let's see, there's some canned goods that I got, that those will go downstairs. I'm telling you, those right there with some, a little bit of rice over here makes, and if you have any meat, some leftover meat or something, ham or chicken or some beef, just throw it in and you have a yummy, yummy meal. There's a little bit of steak sauce that I needed to have. And then I saw this. Rise Above. This is a mascara. It was $3.99. It's supposed to extend, lift, and volumize. Okay, well, we shall see. Have y'all ever seen mascara at Aldi? I mean, it is the Aldi brand, the Acura, or what is it? Lacura, I think. Yeah, I've seen that there before, like face creams or something. I've never used any of it, but I'm anxious to try out a new mascara. All right, the canned goods, let's see. I found these organic soups, a couple of, well, one mushroom, cream of mushroom, and cream of chicken, because I really like those. And they were not too much more. They were marked down, but they're in date, you know, they're fine. They were not all that much more than the Aldi brand. So, all right, I got some creamed sweet corn, because I really like that in my soups. I just love putting them in my soups, as you guys know. If you've seen me make enough soups, you know that that is something that I like to do, and it tastes good. All right, I got a little bit of tomato sauce. Those are those little cans because I use that for my pizza sauce. It's just the right size. And finally, they have some peaches in their own juice or in fruit juice and not in heavy syrup. I don't like that, so got a little bit of fruit there. Some evaporated milk, just to have. That'll go down in the just in case. And some green beans. I wanted to get a whole case of them because we do eat them a lot, but they would only let me get 6. So that's too bad. But anyway, that's it, guys. That is absolutely it. And with the exception of that pork, I've got to have to figure that out, see what's gone on there. It was $107.45. All right, I mean, I did get meat. Yeah, I did get some lunch meat, but I mean, you can see, I'll step back a little bit. That is not a big haul. You know, for $100, I think it's pretty pricey. And you know what? I did forget to tell you about the coffee. I really like this coffee. I think it was a $3.29 or $3.39, something like that, and has been for a very long time. It is now almost $4. I mean, it's just pennies under $4. So I wasn't happy about that. I'm gonna have to think about drinking coffee, maybe. I don't know. I just don't know. Or maybe just get a lesser expensive coffee. We'll see. All right, let me take you out to the summer porch, the summer house. Yeah, I don't have anything planted. The deck is a mess. You know, I mean, everything's ready to go. It just, I just have to get the flowers and the seeds and pots and all that stuff. The yard guys were here yesterday or 2 days ago, and they did a good job cleaning out and mulching everything in the front yard, the side yards, the backyards, you know, all around the bottom of the deck and the porch here. So that's all good to go. And so yeah, the official summer house, you have to have a sign or it's not official. So this is where we spend our entire summer and early fall, right here. It's our little comfy place. Y'all have seen this before. And yeah, so we have this little area over here. We had this made into like a little mulched area. We had the turtle box brought down here. Sorry, you can hardly see it in the screen. We had those stones put down, just made that a little spot. And I think we're gonna get a fire pit and some Adirondack chairs and just brighten that up a little bit. And I'll probably put some lighting out there of some kind too. And what I really like to do is right there, right behind that bird bath next to that tree, not the bird bath, the bird feeder. I think I'm gonna try and see if I can find like an antique gate. Yeah, I think that would be kind of pretty there. But I'll put some of my pots around with some flowers in them, and we'll make that a nice little fun area. Well, thank you so much for joining me here today at Super at 60. I had a really good time. I didn't bake anything. I didn't cook anything. I just showed you my grocery haul and our summer house. I do have several videos. They're a little backed up right now, as a matter of fact, so I need to get them out to you. I do have a very, very special Easter video coming up very soon. And y'all, you know what? I'm just gonna tell you, it's April 1st, okay? Friday, April 1st. I know it's April Fool's Day, but there's no foolery as far as Super at 60 goes on that day. So I just hope I'll keep reminding you, maybe on the community tab and maybe on some other videos, that is gonna be a very, very special day here at Super at 60 in my home and maybe a couple other homes. So don't miss that day. It's gonna be the highlight, just the highlight. I'm so excited, I can hardly wait. I wanna tell you guys, bye now, and I'll see you soon. Lord bless.